Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And so in today's video, I'm showing you how to make your very own press on nails. I told y'all before in like a get ready with me that I would show y'all how I make press on nails. So that is what I'm doing today, and I'm also going to show you how to make this modern day French tip look along with it. So yeah, basically I'm just right here showing you how the nails look. I do make two sets, so don't pay attention to how many nails I'm actually doing in this video because I did end up making two sets, one larger set and one smaller set. Whenever you're making yours, of course, you know, you'll just size the nail to fit your fingernail size, your nail bed. So that's very important. That will be your first step. Okay, so like I said before, in this step, of course, you would choose the correct nail size for yourself. Here, I didn't have to do that because I'm just doing all sizes. Next, you're going to buff your nails. Buffing is very important. It should be one of the first steps that you take. You have to make sure that you get all of the shine off of the nail. I feel like it makes it better in the long run whenever you buff all of them. So here I'm just buffing all of the nails to make sure I get the shine off. Next, I'm just going to stick them onto my little tacky stuff. I don't know what this stuff is called. I think it's called Fun Tack. I got it off of Amazon. It's really good. Now, once all of the shine is off, of course, you're going to go ahead and put your base coat on. The base coats that I'm using today, I did get them off of Amazon. They came with a polygel kit. Um, Here they are. And that's the top coat that I'm going to use once I'm done. But first, I'm just going to go in with the base coat. And of course, once you go in with your base coat on all of the nails, you are going to cure your nails for 60 seconds. After you cure for 60 seconds, you want to go ahead in with your color coat. This color, it is just like a natural tannish pinkish color. And I'm just applying that to all of the nails. Okay, so of course, again, once you apply your color coat to the nails, of course, you want to cure again for another 60 seconds. And here's your first coat. My son is laughing. I don't know if y'all can hear him. But after you cure for 60 seconds, you want to go in with your second coat of color that you're using. After you do all of those, of course, you're going to cure again for 60 seconds. Okay, y'all, I really took my time on that nail. Okay, so yeah, cure for 60 seconds and boom, here you go. Your two coats of color. As you can see, they look exactly like, you know, these other nails. Well, I'm not sure y'all can see. I kept trying to change the lighting to see what would work best for y'all. I'm not really sure. Well, I wasn't really sure. And now that I'm editing, I can see that the lighting was fine, but you get my point. Next, I'm just going to show y'all how to do the French tip. I did just go in on the sides. I'm using this little paintbrush. Well, really, it's a nail brush. It came in the kit, and I'm using the Beetles white nail polish. I think it's like Arctic white. I'm not really sure, but I will double check and put it in the description below just in case anyone wants to use it for themselves. And I just take my time and draw two lines, one down each side, well, each corner. So on this last nail, I did go ahead and just turn my ring light off, and I turned the actual room light on because I couldn't tell whether y'all could see again. So I just showed y'all basically how it would look like without the ring light. And that's how it turned out. They actually turned out pretty good. It's very simple. So, of course, once you're done applying the white onto all of the nails, you are going to cure for 60 seconds. And then once you have cured your nails for those 60 seconds, you want to go back in with your top coat. And after you apply your top coat, of course, you're going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then you're all done basically. Okay, so like I stated, I'm just applying the top coat, and here is how they turned out. So adorable, so cute. So if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please be sure to return for more DIY nail videos. I plan to post more soon, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!